So we are going to see how we can run anything in the background in the Linux. Okay, so this is my terminal where I logged in into my server. So if I do ls, I got a lot of files right here. Can you see evilgenix is a one program which is here, and another program is evilgenix monitor which is here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run both programs in the background using one toolkit called screen. Okay, so how exactly we can do that? First thing first, let me clear everything. So first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you are creating this screen session. So how exactly you do? You do screen dash yes and the session name. In my case, I'm going to run the evilgenix, so I'll say evil. That's my session name. Okay. So when I do that, I'm getting error because there is a typo screen. It's supposed to be right. So it will just restart the terminal and it will get fresh new terminal. Okay. So if I do ls right here, I can see the files. I will run the evilgenix and it should run completely fine. So once it is running, what you need to do is you need to press Ctrl plus A plus D. Okay, on your keyboard, press the Ctrl, hold it down, then A D. Okay, that will send that session into the background. Okay, can you see it is saying detach from the session called evil. So you might say that okay, now it is running in the background. So how exactly can I access that session one more time? So for that, what you can do is you can simply do screen and dash R and you can type evil, okay? And hit enter button and it will just show that session whatever is running in the background. Okay, let me hit Control AD one more time and exit from this session. Now you can see, okay, this time I know the name of this session, but what if I don't know the name of the session? Then you will see how the name, what is the name of the session. How? You can say screen dash ls, okay? And that will show you how many sessions are running. So as of now, only one session is running and name of the session is evil, okay? Let's do one thing, create one more session and run evilgenix monitor. So first thing first, I need to go inside the evilgenix monitor. So I'll type cd and I'll say evilgenix monitor. I'll just copy paste by the way. Okay. And if I do ls, can you see the files are there? Great. Now let me start the session. Screen dash capital S and the session name will be Moni. Okay, MONI, because I'm running in the monitor. It's up to us what we name to the session. We can name anything. Okay. So once I do that, it will clear everything and it will give me the complete new terminal. Let me run the evilgenix monitor and evilgenix monitor is running. Now I will press the Control AD and it will exit from that session. And evilgenix monitor session will also run into the background. Okay. So let me clear the screen and let me check the screen dash ls command. Okay. Screen dash ls, and once I hit enter, can you see it is now showing the two sessions running in the background. One is Moni and second is evil. Okay, so right now you might say that how we can exit from the session or how we can stop the session. Well, what you need to do is you need to first of all access that session. So you will say CREN dash R and let's say evil. First access that session, then go here and close this software and then type exit. Okay, so it will just terminate that session and it will go back to the whatever our terminal is. So if I do right now screen dash ls, it will show me only one session because one session is already terminated. So similarly we can terminate the second also. What you need to do is I need to just access that session. So let me type the money and let me hit the Control C and exit. And now let me do screen ls. Can you see no sessions are running? Okay, so yeah, so this is how you can run anything in the background in any Linux.